Hey guys, Bubby here. So today I'm going to be talking about the new Maybelline Sky High Mascara. We're going to see what's so overhyped about this. Join with me. Alrighty, now the one that I have is the Sky High Waterproof Mascara. Now, I don't know what the hype about this is so high. People say it's like the best mascara they've ever used, and we're going to see. I'm going to have you guys come around with me through the whole day, and we're going to see how good this is. Right now it is 12:36 right now, and I'm gonna go all the way until I go to bed. People have been saying that this is really hard to take off, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna have you guys go through that journey with me, so if you stay with, we shall see what's up. Alrighty, it says waterproof, limitless length, full volume. The color that I got is brownish black. The rest of them were sold out, couldn't find them anywhere else. So yeah. Let's get started with this. Okay, now, because I have greasy fry eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my, of course, favorite Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I really got to get something else. This is like, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this. She is not cute at all. That's all I got to say. I've used her very well. So I'm going to use just a little bit of this, so just to see if it doesn't transfer on my eyelids, which I always have to wear an eye primer or things will transfer on me. So yeah, if you got greasy eyelids, highly recommend. Ugh. Okay, I'm just going to use just a tad bit. I got to get some more of this. Okay, I'm just going to tap this in to my eyelids real quick. And we're going to see if it's actual waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, all that stuff. We're going to see, because I got some bad eyelids, and we're going to see if she transfer proof. I'm not going to put anything else on. I got my brows in. That is it. We're doing an all natural thing going on here. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's very beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. I had to see what the hype was about this, because I've never seen a mascara so hyped than this one. So we're going to see what's up. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Woo! And by the way, the description says it has a bamboo fabric. Like fibers, not fabric. Oh my gosh, I suck. Here we go. Ooh. Oh shoot, I just got some on my eyelid already. What's wrong with me? It doesn't seem to be clumping up that much. It's not bad. But I also am going to let this dry and then put on another layer. Of course, my favorite mascara at the moment is the Huda Beauty one. Now, I know this is brownish black, but it's not bad. It's a color. I think it's pretty. This lash is way longer than the other one. Okay, I'm going to let this dry for a minute. Put another layer on. A lot of people hate waterproof mascaras. I've never tried them before, but I'm going to see if I hate them or not. It is looking a little bit clumpy. Whoa, does anybody else have like these little weird, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like this weird lash right here. It's like right here. Do you see that? I don't know, you probably can't, but whoa. It's really ugly. It's all little and shriveled up. I think it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna do, oh. Alright, that's not cute. I don't know what I was doing there. So glad I'm not wearing foundation. It looks nice. I don't think this is bad at all. I think it looks really nice. Not bad. But I am going to take you guys with me the whole day to see how it holds up and if it smudges. The one thing that I'm not a fan of, and I don't know if you guys can see this, is that it's getting really dirty when I take it out. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm probably going to have to clean it up. It does seem to clump. Oh my gosh, it does seem to cling onto the brush a lot. The product really does seem to cling onto it, so that's why my lashes are just a little bit hooked together. But we shall see. I'm going to read just a few of the reviews to see what people are saying about this. Clump and transfers. Okay, well, there we go. Meh, just okay. Not worth the hype. False lash effect. There's some people like, oh my gosh, TikTok hype. So glad I did it. Definitely will buy this again. Overrated. Not what I expected. Kind or dry. I think she meant kind of dry. Clump City. And then the best. Never paying for a high-end mascara again. So I think it just depends on what person is actually likes this and what they're buying and what eyelids they have. Of course, like me, I had to if people are saying that it's transfer, obviously that is why I did put on some of my eye primer, so because my eyes do grease up a lot, so that's why I did. So let me see how long it's been. 9 minutes. Oh, this girl said inflamed eyelids. Shoot, would not buy this again. Best mascara ever. I've never seen my lashes so long. Okay. So. Let's see. It says Sky High Lash Impact from every angle. Flex Tower Mascara Brush. Full volume and limitless length mascara is a formula infused with bamboo extract and fibers. Well, that's pretty good though. Like I like mascaras that do have different brush kind of types to it. Pretty good. So. Look at, and it says removes easily with waterproof eye makeup remover. I don't have waterproof eye makeup remover. I don't know. So we're gonna see tonight. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in a little bit, but the camera might be different because I'm going to be using my phone instead of the actual camera. So stay tuned. I'll take you guys around with me. See ya. Hey guys, this is an update. I'm pretty sure it's like 8 o'clock, so it's been a long time. It's been a pretty busy day, so that's why I haven't been on here much. But as I've said, people said it's very hard to take this off, so we're gonna see. I just made dinner, so I'm gonna go back and eat. Then I'll be back and show you guys how I'm gonna take it off pretty much, but I don't know how well it's gonna go. So this is what it looks like for now. Did it transfer? Not at all. Would I highly recommend? Yes. It did not transfer whatsoever. See, so I'm talking about how greasy my eyelid is. But it didn't transfer at all, which is so crazy to me. Because for being a drugstore, it's really nice. Very nice. Oh my goodness. I'll see you guys tonight. Bye. Hey guys, Bubby here. So it is 10 o'clock. I'm going to be taking off all of the rest of what I have on. Pretty much it's just the brows and the mascara. I'm going to be taking it off. People have been saying it's very hard to take off. Let's see if that's true or not. So I got my coconut oil, I got my cleansing balm, and I got Q-tips, of course, you know, to get it out or whatever. Got my cleansing washcloths that I absolutely love. Let's get started. Alrighty, so what I'm just going to be doing is I'm just going to be taking a handful of that balm. It already comes with its own little scoop right there. Just going to be taking it out. Shoot if I can. Okay. And I am just going to dip a Q-tip inside of it and just roll it across my lashes. Let's see if we can do that. We're going to see how hard this is. I'm going to clip back my hair really quick. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. Ooh, I'm over here fogging up my mirror with my stank ass breath. Okay, this is going to be harder than I thought. I'm used to like stuff coming out very easily. Gosh, it's not focusing. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm working the cleansing balm in. We shall see if this works all the way. Because I'm finding that it is. Ow, oh my gosh, I know that my eye's going to be watering any minute now. Because I suck. My eyes are like extremely sensitive. I barely put anything on it and that's it. My eyes are like, I'm out, I'm a divorce Marie, we're done. Woo, okay, that came off. Yeah, see? I'm using the reflection from the light. That actually got it off pretty good though. But there still is a few still left down there. Huh. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna try with my other finger. I'm not gonna use the Q-tips again. That failed. It failed very, very badly. So, slap a good amount on. I use too much, but then again, that's just me. Okay, now the reason why it's hard to get off because it's waterproof. And I don't think people know what that actually means. Basically means it's gonna be hard as shit to get off, so bear with it. Oh, ouch. Okay, this one's having a harder time trying to get it off. Oh my gosh, that hurt so badly. I had coconut oil on the side because I didn't know if this was gonna be able to take it off, but it took it off pretty good. But the clumpy areas, you are gonna have to really, really, really go in with whatever cleansing oil. I think cleansing oil would do a lot better than a cleansing balm. Like what I just used, I think that would do a lot better because you can really get in there. Yes, you're gonna be fuzzy-eyed for a while, like how I am right now. I literally cannot see. I'm just staring at like the black part, but so be it. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. See you next time.